All right. Any comments, any questions?
Hey, Ramin.
Yes, Lucas.
Very interesting video. I enjoyed it a lot. I
Thank
had
you.
a question. What is what's the benefit of being an analyst?
So, actually, it's a lot of, it depends on your personality. I know as a child, I love doing research, Lucas, and some people, we just love to go investigate things, find out things, and they pay well too. I mean, it's not I mean, you start as like a junior analyst and then you become, there's a different levels, but it basically you come out, imagine you do all the investigation and then things, especially if nobody else knows, you put them together, it's like a piece of puzzle and come out ahead of time and make a recommendation. And that's the reason a lot of these analysts are hired. One of the things we talked about, for instance, we went to AI. Now, AI does a lot of quantitative side of things. They can go through all the numbers. And the advantage of the analyst, as I mentioned, if they're really good, is that human relationship, reading the managements, what they are saying. So uh, basically, that gives the advantage. And again, they get good bonuses. Unfortunately, as I mentioned, sometimes the company it's less now, but still out there. The company can put pressure on analysts to come up with different ratings. So that goes that independence. So that's why I never worked for a company. I always done my own research. One thing I forgot to say is a lot of times what happens is analysts, when they have it, these ratings, they come out and it has to be public within 30 days. Now, they come out, they tell their own company, and you see the other side of the company. Now they know um, they go ahead and sell the stock. So let's say I came out and I said, well, there's a buy ratings, and then from the market just took off. The other side of my company can sell it because there has been appreciation based on their price target. So by the time there is that conflict, but it's legal because there's a 30 days you can, we have waiting period. So basically you could be an analyst, but your other part of the company can buy or sell based on the price movement. So you can actually move the markets and still make money from your for your company. So analyst is, yeah, it is important. A lot of, and it's not just in just stocks. We have in forex, we have in economic, in economy, bonds. It's huge. Bond analysts are actually paid a lot more than stock analyst. Stock analyst is sexier, because it just sounds, the equity analysts are more understood, but the bond analysts are very much more uh, as far as compensation, they're compensated better because they are looking at the health of the company from real way of, they borrowed money, so they want to make sure they rate them the correct way. So anyway, is that helpful?
Yeah, I got
Got
that.
it. You're welcome. Any other questions, comments? Hopefully it was helpful. No? Hmm. All right. Oh, Henry?
Thank, thank you, Remy. Just wanted to say thanks for
Oh, you're
a
very kind.
great presentation again.
Oh, good. Okay. As long as, your time is spent and had the value, I appreciate that. Don't want to take you away. Good. Thank you. Anyway, awesome. Oh, Jean,
Thank you, Rami.
oh, you're very welcome. Yeah. Of course, you're being an analyst, you should always use your expertise too, Jean-Claude. So
Of course.
thank you. All right, with that in mind, I'll hope you'll enjoy the rest of your week, and enjoy again, have a prosperous and successful weekend as well. So, all right, thank you again. I'll send the video.
Thanks, Ramin.
You're very
Thanks, Ramin. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
everyone.
everyone.
Have a
Bye-bye.
great day. Bye bye.